First in India. Male personalities. The first President of Indian Republic. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first Prime Minister of Free India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore. The first President of Indian National Congress. W.C. Banerjee. The first Muslim President of Indian National Congress. Badruddin Tayyabji. The first Muslim President of India. Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first British Governor-General of India. Lord William Bentinck. The first British Viceroy of India. Lord Canning. The first Governor-General of Free India. Lord Mountbatten. The first and the last Indian to be Governor-General of Free India. C. Rajagopalachari. The first man who introduced printing press in Free India. James Hickey. The first Indian to join ICS. Satyendra Nath Tagore. India's first man in space. Rakesh Sharma. The first Prime Minister in India who resigned without completing the full term. Morarji Desai. The first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India. General Cariappa. The first Chief of the Army Staff. General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. The first Indian member of the Viceroy's Executive Council. S.P. Sinha. The first President of India who died while in office. Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament. Charan Singh. The first Field Marshal of India. S.H.F. Manekshaw. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics. C.V. Raman. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award. Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Indian to cross English Channel. Mihir Sen. The first Indian to receive Jnanpith Award. Sri Shankar Kurup. The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Ganesh Vasudeva Mavalankar. The first Vice President of India. Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Education Minister. Abul Kalam Azad. The first Home Minister of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Indian Air Chief Marshal. S. Mukherjee. The first Indian Naval Chief. Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. The first Judge of International Court of Justice. Dr. Nagendra Singh. The first person to receive Paramveer Chakra. Major Somnath Sharma. The first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen. Sherpa Fu Dorji. The first Chief Election Commissioner. Sukumar Sen. The first person to receive Magsaysay Award. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. The first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine. Hargobind Khurana. The first Chinese traveler to visit India. Faheen. The first person to receive Stalin Prize. Saifuddin Kichu. The first person to resign from the Central Cabinet. Shama Prasad Mukherjee. The first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics. Amartya Sen. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court Justice. Hiralal J. Kania.